A clean fridge is a happy fridge. It brings joy to our kitchens and to our lives. It's about more than just looks. A clean fridge means healthy food. It means less waste. And it means a peaceful mind. Open your fridge. Do you feel joy? If not, it's time for a change. Don't worry, it's easy. With a little effort, we can make our fridges sparkle. The first step is often the hardest, but it's also the most important. We need to empty our fridges. Yes, completely empty. This might seem scary, but trust me, it's freeing. Take everything out, check expiration dates, throw away anything old or unused, wipe down bottles and jars. Now your fridge is ready for a deep clean. Now the fun part, let's clean those shelves. Warm, soapy water works wonders. Use a gentle cleaner. Avoid harsh chemicals. They can harm your food and your health. Rinse well with clean water. Dry the shelves completely. No one likes a soggy fridge. A clean fridge is inviting. It makes us want to cook healthy meals. An organized fridge saves time and reduces waste. Group similar items together, fruits in one drawer, vegetables in another. Label shelves for easy access. Leftovers, dairy, snacks. Clear containers are your friends. They keep food fresh and visible. No more forgotten leftovers hiding in the back. An organized fridge is a happy fridge, and a happy fridge means a happy you.